In this short video, you're going to learn how to get started with Ignite UI Blazor controls. Ignite UI ships with over 40 UI controls and components and over 50 chart types to build any type of application that you need for your customers. Let's get started. In Visual Studio 2022, click the Create New Project button and select the Blazor WebAssembly app template. If it's not sitting here on the left-hand side in your project templates, it'll be in the list on the right. You could just do a quick search for it. So I'm going to select Blazor WebAssembly app, click Next, and I'm just going to accept all the defaults and create the application. Now that Visual Studio is open, there's three things I need to do to get going. The first thing is I need to right-click on my project and click Manage NuGet Packages. Ignite UI Blazor controls are distributed as NuGet packages off of NuGet.org. So I can click Browse and type in Infragistics Blazor. And we'll see that the Ignite UI Blazor controls come up first in the list. I'll click Install and take the latest stable version. Accept all of the default dialogues. Now that's complete. The next thing I want to do is double click on the Imports Razor file and add the using statement for the Ignite UI.blazor.controls. Next, we'll go to program.cs, and you'll see that this is a .NET 6 application, so we are using the builder to construct everything that's needed to run this application. So what we want to do is a builder.services.add Ignite UI Blazor. Everything should be in your autocomplete. And now before we can add any controls, we just need to make sure that we have the default style sheet that the Ignite UI Blazor controls require. So if we go to the pages, you'll see that you've got the default pages, but where is the actual HTML that gets rendered in your index.html? So in a Blazor WebAssembly application, if you drill into www.root, you'll see there's the index.html. And this is where you would see all of the style sheet or JavaScript references. You'll see here, this is the Blazor Framework WebAssembly that Microsoft added. So what we're going to add is the required Ignite UI Blazor CSS. I happen to have this in a snippet. So you can see here, we've added the Ignite UI Blazor, themes, light, bootstrap.css, and the style sheet tag. At this point, you can use any of the Infragistics Ignite UI Blazor controls in this application. What we'll do to test this out is we'll go to index.razor, and I will delete the default HTML that they have in this page. And I'm going to paste in an Infragistics Ignite UI Blazor card control. So this is the IGB card. This has a default image. It has some information in the header, like an H4 and an H6 for a name and a title. It has some content, and then it has the button in the card actions. The card comes with several different options for how you can lay it out. All of this information is in the samples and documentation. So now I'm ready to go. I'm going to click the Run button, and our application is going to compile, and it's going to start. Here's the card view that you created, and as easy as that, in 4 simple steps, you enabled Ignite UI Blazor controls from Infragistics in your application. To learn more about Infragistics and all of our UI controls, go to infragistics.com. To learn more about our Blazor controls, go to infragistics.com/products/Ignite UI Blazor. Also, while you're there, check out our one-of-a-kind app builder product, which is a web-based WYSIWYG which allows you to build Blazor applications in minutes versus days, weeks, and even months. To get more videos like this, click the subscribe button and read all of the notes for everything that I mentioned in this video today.